Okay, so I thought I'd do a pocket dump today. This is what I carried to my VA appointment, so it's limited because I'm not supposed to have knives and stuff there. This is my wallet. It's an RFID wallet, or anti-RFID wallet. Keys to the old Burb, my old Ford Suburban. Keys to my house with a little flashlight. A little pocket knife, a SD Classic, keys, and the little monkey fist to bonk people. Schrade. And then this was on my belt, which I took off once I got there because I remembered I couldn't carry it, but it's working pretty good. A nice Buck 110. And I think this is a 1993, if I recall the markings right. But that was my carry today to go to my VA appointment. Hope you